Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I was going to do a full voiceover for this, but I just keep on messing it up every time. So it's going to be a bit of a watch me work. If there is anything that you specifically want to know about, then just pop it in the comments and I promise that I will reply to you. But yeah, so just enjoy the video. I do come on at the end and just explain my crystal application, but that's about it. So yeah, enjoy. So the large crystals that I'm about to put on, I think they're called Rivolis or something like that, yeah, they're a large pointed back round crystal, and I'm adhering these using clear acrylic and just a small 3D brush. So if you're wanting to apply large crystals like this, I find them best stuck on with acrylic because it's so strong. I have stuck crystals on like this before with a strong jewellery gel, including the Tony Lee jewellery gel, which actually I don't rate that much because I've stuck smaller crystals with it and still lost them. So yeah, I just prefer to stick to good old acrylic for big stones like this and pointed backs, and then my trusty Diamond Nail Supplies crystal resin for small flat backs. But yeah, so when you're doing this, you just want to make sure that you're using enough acrylic that it's got all that support there, but not so much that it's peeping out the bottoms and people can kind of see it, because that would look gross. But yeah, so that's basically it, and I'm just popping on some flat backs with some crystal resin. And then I'm going to go in and add my finishing touches with a bit of blue gel polish, and then I will top coat them all, and then you'll see the finished product at the end. So thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone that has been watching my videos and has subscribed. I'm only like a small time person, and yeah, I just appreciate people taking their time out to watch my videos. So yeah, if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and if you're not already, then follow me on Instagram. It's at DreamNailsByMC, and I'll be bringing you another video soon, I hope. Bye!